What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to earn $100 a day with Google. And it's going to be a beginner friendly method, so all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis. And hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so I'm going to share with you a method that you can get started with to make you $100 a day. And I'm also going to share a few tips inside on how you can earn even more. So make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information there. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so basically we're going to Google and we are going to search for, I'm just going to type something here. I'm going to give you an example. We can go for plumbers in Kansas. Let's take Kansas City. And you can see here that before I just hit the enter, that it's going to be an even smaller search here if I go to north. So if I go to north, it's going to be a more specified. So we don't want to go too broad because we want to narrow down here. So we're searching and specialized only for plumbers in Kansas City North here. And you're going to see here a few companies. So this is usually, they have the top 3, the Google Maps ranking here. So what we need to do is we're going to have, we want to do a research, the first thing that we're going to do. And we can go to yelp.com, okay? So this is the first option. So we can open it in a new tab, or we can actually go to the yellow pages. Okay, so let's go to the yellow pages here. Let's see, where is the yellow pages? There you have it, best 30 plumbers in Kansas City with reviews. Now, we're going to do the research and we want to see if they have some kind of a web presence, and probably most of them have, but there is a lot of people that don't have. If they have or not, it doesn't matter, because this method that we are going to provide them with is actually, we are going to hit them with video, okay? Why? Really simple, because YouTube, we know that it is the second largest search engine on the planet, and it is owned by Google. So you can rank for small videos like, small targeted niches like plumbers, best plumber in Kansas City, North area or something like that. It is so easy to rank for that kind of videos. And probably it will be shown also in Google, because you could see earlier that there wasn't any video presence on the first page. So you might get it ranked both on Google and of course on YouTube also, which means that you get 2 rankings for 1. So that is how you're going to convince these people to actually buy some kind of a web presence. Now don't rush there, because this is not the whole thing here. So basically what you need to do is how are you going to approach them? Because some of you say, okay, I'm not located in Kansas, and the solution is really simple. You're either going to have to contact them via Facebook, or you're going to upload a video where you talk and you explain everything in detail. And what you're going to do is you're going to take, let's say for example that we take the first company here, okay? So I don't know if they have some kind of a web presence or not. Okay, so there we have it. There is a site there, Morgan Miller Plumbing. So we go to the site, and what you're going to do here, you have to put in some effort here. So really simple. You take the logo, you take 2 or 3 pictures, and you're going to explain a few benefits there, okay? So just take 2 or 3 lines like 24/7 emergency services, residential services and so on. And you're going to do a slide video. Now this is really simple. You're going to do a small teaser. It's not going to be like I do 2 or 3 minutes, but let it be like 15 or 20 seconds or something like that. And what you're going to do is you're going to explain them and say, hey, I did this, I think it could be a good idea for you to promote on YouTube and so on, and this is how it could look. So really simple and easy, okay? When you have put that effort, I can guarantee you that you're probably going to get the sale there, because they feel that you have put in some effort, you have shown interest and engagement in their company, so they will probably find it hard to say no to you. So this is my little twist that you should apply. Now, if you don't have any experience and you say, I'm a newbie, I can't create videos, well, I have a solution for you for that too, because you can go to a site like FlixPress, and you can see here you can create HD video fast, YouTube intros, promos and ads, animated slideshows, video announcements. So this is a super easy method on how you just can put in the slides there, and it's actually free also to sign up for, okay? So you can get started with something like FlixPress, or if you're interested, you can have a look at my course, which is Audio Video Mastery, where I show you exactly that. I have one tutorial where I actually show you how you can find free, royalty-free footage and create a video from that. But I do share a lot more, so if you're serious and are interested, I definitely recommend you to have a look at audiovideomastery.com. And if you're not interested in making the video at all, then you can just go to Fiverr, you can type video intro, and you can see here that there is tons of opportunities. It will cost you, of course, a bit. You can see here you can create a sport intro presentation for €9, which is approximately around $10. So you have to get started somewhere, okay? But they can create it for you, so you don't have to do anything at all. And of course, when you get the order, you will proceed with making them the 2-minute video, 1.5 minute or something like that. You will need to pay, of course, a little bit more. But let's say, for example, like this guy here, you can see for €32, approximately like $40. So if you charge 150, you have $110 in net profit there. So that is how you can do it if you just want to outsource it. But I do recommend that you start to do it by yourself, because what you can do here is that you're going to offer this as a service, and if they get satisfied with one video, they will probably get back to you. Now, if they don't have any presence at all, I would say that it is even better, because then you can approach them and say, how about that you get started to promote yourself on the internet without even having a website? So it doesn't have to cost you a fortune, and I can help you to set up your YouTube channel, of course with a small fee there. So that is how you can make even more money. So they will probably say yes. And as I said, these are super easy videos to rank for. I'm just going to show you a quick example that I came up with here. I did a video for the gym, a good friend of mine here, and while you probably can't see it because it is in Greek here, but you can see the rankings here, okay? So this is for personal training in Thessaloniki. So when I got started with this video, there wasn't any other video around there. And you can see the rankings here, 331, fitness number 20 right now. So it goes up and down a little bit. But every time someone searches for personal training in Thessaloniki, then they will definitely find this video. And that is where my good friend here, he shows his expertise, and that's how he approached people, and people will be interested and they will contact the gym. So another good way would be actually to insert your telephone number even in the description here. This is a video that I did for radio commercials. This is my background. We have produced well over 20,000 commercials for almost 2 decades now. So this is a video that I did a few years back, and I had a lot of people contacting me via this video here. So I inserted the telephone number, and people, they approached me. They found it easy to just start to call me, and they contact me about the radio commercials, and that's how I got deals on that. Okay, so these are also very, very easy to rank for, as I said, and that is why it is beginner-friendly method. So you don't want to go for weight loss or something like that, because it is much more competitive niche there. So it is super easy. And just to give you another example, another video that I did here, this is gym in Thessaloniki in the special area. You see here I'm ranking number 1 for this. So if I'm located and search for a gym in that located area, I will see this video. And this was a video that I shot actually on my iPhone. So what I did is we created a radio commercial, and I just put these two together, okay, and created this video. Super easy, and it was like I took 2 or 3 video footages from around here, and I just put it together, okay? So just show you a quick example here.
Gianni Stamati, fitness and sports. Gianni Khalkidis, programmata, aerial yoga, pilates.
Okay, so this is actually 42 seconds. Really super easy to do. With slides, you just take a few pictures, some footage. So really don't limit yourself. You don't have to do video footage, but you can find royalty-free footage as well. So you can create it with just that. So really super easy method to approach and to get to your $100 a day. What I would do also, another tip is that focus on one area like plumbers or dentists or something like that, so you get more specialized in that, because they will feel that, okay, he knows what he's talking about, I'm a plumber or I'm a dentist, he's specialized in that area. So focus on that. Another tip would be actually to create your own channel, upload these kind of videos, and when you rank them, you can approach them and tell them that you can actually rent the videos like a lead generation. So you can say that you insert their name, their telephone number in the video for a monthly fee or something like that. So, but it requires more long term. You need to rank the videos first and to get started with. So this method is definitely much faster. So just to summarize this, what you do is you find the plumbers, for example, you do your research, you see where they don't have any video presence, you create a small teaser. This is a bonus tip. You create a small teaser and you tell them that this is how your video could look like, and you could actually get tons of more traffic and leads to your business, okay? And then of course they will get started. As I said also, if they don't have any presence, it might be even better, because you tell them that they don't have to spend a fortune to create a website. And also keep in mind that if they get satisfied with the videos, they might want to get a website, which you can of course provide that service. If you can't do it by yourself, you can just outsource it and get a commission for that too as well. Alright, so there you have it on how to earn $100 a day with Google. And as you could see, it is a beginner-friendly method. Of course, it is up to you on how much effort you want to put in and make money with this method. Now, if you get some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you hit the like button below. Also, if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation in the link here below. It's going to be the first link in the comment section, so make sure you check that out. You'll find an end screen here with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more. So make sure you subscribe to both and hit the notification bell also there, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.